Hi, Jerry Orloski from Orloski's Car Wash and Quick Lube Shop on Mundy Street in Wilkes-Barre. Here with some winter driving tips and car care tips. As we all know, an ounce of prevention is a pound of cure, and if we take care of these few items, you'll be a little more confident out on the road driving during this winter. A couple simple things, okay? Make sure you have washer fluid in your car. When the roads get salty and grimy and that spray is coming up on your car, visibility is diminished, it's harder to see where you're going, it's not as safe. Wiper blades. Again, visibility is extremely important. Have those wiper blades checked. If they're prone to getting ice or they're chattering or streaking, it's not that expensive, it's rather inexpensive, and when you have a good set of wiper blades on one of those sloppy days, you'll be a safer driver. Tire pressure, your tires. Make sure that your tires are set properly. Check your tires to make sure that you have enough tread in them so that you can get through those snowy conditions and safely drive your car when you need to. Here at Orloski's, we offer a free checkup in our lube shop. Our customers can come in at any time if they feel their tire pressure is low. They want us to check the fluids under the hood, top them off. We do it free, just pull your car in, and we're happy to take care of that for you. Keeping your car clean and the snow removed off the car, it's basic. In Pennsylvania, it's the law to remove the snow off your vehicle, again, to make you a little easier to see when you're going down the road. It makes it a lot safer for the people following down the highway as well. So remove the snow off the vehicle, have a snow brush or something to remove the ice off of your vehicle, and you'll be a safer driver this winter and a little more confident.